So some things that are very destructive, like harmful or destructive or inhibiting in a relationship are: one, withholding your true wishes or desires. That could be from anything. It could be anything whatsoever. From what you'd really like to do in life, what you want to experience with the other person, sexual wishes, could be where you'd like to really truly live, what you'd like to really do socially, to go out or to socialise, or even relating to family or their family or your family. If you'd like to go on holiday, all sorts of stuff. It could be anything business related. It could be what you want to do together of service or individually of service, what you'd really like to do with your friends or on your alone time, what you'd really like to do to nurture your spirit, or just to create something good and happy and positive, a good happy experience. So withholding that is very problematic. It's a big wall. So learning how to communicate that, and I'll put a little video up somewhere in this video, conscious intentional dialogue, how to express your feelings and wishes and emotions, etc. Okay. The second thing is withholding resentments, anger, upset, etc., etc., etc. If you withhold this, it's going to build up in your system, and it's going to just create a deeper level, higher level of intensity of upset. This is just going to make you not want to make love with the person, not want to be cuddling or intimacy or holding their hand. It'll make you not want to listen to them, because you feel they're not listening to me. Why should I do this to them? They don't do this for me. Why should I do that for them? I've experienced all this sort of stuff myself, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, ruffians and soft people. But it's a serious matter, as you well know. So the more we get this out in the open, and then we also listen and express a conscious intentional dialogue. Don't forget, I'll put the video where you can express frustrations or anger and what you wish and desire. You get it out there in the open, you deal with it, you make a solution, and you empathize and validate each other. You say to each other, that makes sense, thank you for sharing, I hear you, I understand you. But just to really try and understand the person properly, emotionally, beyond the words, beyond the mind. Validate, allow people to say, allow people to feel safe and heard. Listening is way more important than talking. If both people can listen first, that's the priority, and then also focus on talking and expressing, you get everywhere. If both people are trying to focus on only talking, but no one's focusing on listening, nobody will get anywhere. They have to put things right, put things straight, and first things first. So everybody, this is just a simple video, simple message. So much more to talk about relationships, but hopefully this will get you started. I'll also put another link to another kick-ass thing that really helped me in my relationship. Neither of these are from my own YouTube channel. I'm plugging other people for the sake of being of maximum value and service to you people watching, you beautiful people. And I hope this helps. Hope you have a beautiful day. Don't forget to give it a like, share, subscribe below, and hit the bell button for more videos on body, mind, spirit, holistic healing and raising our vibration and improving our life, physical, mental, emotional, everything. And befriend me on Facebook, leave any questions or comments. Other than that, have a beautiful, sweet, happy, peaceful and heartfelt day. My name is Owen Fox. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again.